When we talk about future, are we making assumptions? Or trying to get hold of it?
Future's full of changes, but what you're doing at the moment will determine how the future changes.
The future has millions of possibilities, but only one of them will become true, and you are now involved in its realization.
Future is like an intangible time point, walking hand in hand with time. There will be one day we finally arrive at future.
Future is beyond edge, without fixed appearance. But our vision of future will be realized through endeavors. Future starts from today, and today is lying in your hands. Next.